making some mini Christmas confetti drip cakes. This is similar to my birthday cake, the upside down drip cake. I did one green and one red and then did alternating colors for the drip. The recipe and everything you're gonna need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this recipe. Get your vanilla cake, and I will leave my recipe for mine down below. Get your pans as well. I'm using these 6-inch ones and some sprinkles to add to my batter. I just put those in and folded them in. You can use any cake mix that you like. And then just scoop this into your prepared pans. I just buttered and floured mine. And then bake them at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes, depending on your cake pan size. Once the cakes have cooled, I started stacking them. I put some buttercream in between each layer and some sprinkles. Put another layer of cake and then some more frosting and sprinkles. And then my final layer. I did bake off 6 cakes and I did 2 separate cakes, each 3 layers. And I just did my crumb coat once I stacked all 3 layers. You can do one whole cake with these 6 layers, or you can split it and do 2 like I did. Once you've done your crumb coat and you chilled them, do your final coat of buttercream. I'm doing one green and another one red. This one's my green one. I'm just applying that buttercream on there. Smoothing it out, and once you do that, stick it back in the fridge for a couple minutes while we frost our red one. I'm using my bench scraper to get some clean sides. In one motion, just swipe it. And then for this, I'm actually using melted frosting to decorate the drip sides. But you can do ganache and heavy cream. To see how I did that one, you can go check out my birthday cake video. I will leave a link down below to it. And then for my red cake, I melted green buttercream and poured that on top. Once they've chilled in the fridge for a couple minutes and have hardened, we're gonna flip it and take that bottom cake board off, and then with the last bit of frosting, just cover the bottom. And then I did this with my red cake as well. Flipped it, removed the cake board, and then did some buttercream on there, smoothed it out, and I added sprinkles to the tops of my frosting. You can add more frosting if you like. And that's how you make some mini confetti cakes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give it a thumbs up. This is the last video of the 12 days of baked goods, and if you've been watching all these, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed them. If you want to see pictures of everything I've been making, I do post on Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook, and all those links are down below. If you want to leave a suggestion for a future video, let me know in the comments down below as well. And if you enjoy my content and want to keep up to date with everything I post, hit the subscribe button as well. I hope you had a great Christmas, and I'll see you all next year. Stay sweet!